Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open PDF in current window size instead of full screen. Open your PDF document and press Ctrl K on your keyboard to open Adobe Preferences. Go to Page Display. Under Default Layout and Zoom, go to Page Layout and select Single Page. Then go to Zoom and select Fit Page. And under Resolution, choose Use System Settings. Click the OK button. Then close and reopen your PDF document. Now your PDF will open in the current window size instead of full screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.